We're pretty much everything from small drywall repairs to full home builds, specialize in kitchen, bathroom remodels, and basement finishes. We're family owned and operated. We're all about family. We treat our customers like family, and I'd love to build a relationship with a person that goes on longer than just one job. Everyone on my team is either a long-term friend or a family member and have had many years in the trades. Communication's the first thing. I want to make sure that they know every step of the way what we're doing. And the first thing is, they contact us, we get their address, come out, get measurements, let them meet us in person, get a feel for each other, and then get an estimate over to them, and if everything goes right, sign them up and get the ball rolling. Contact us at bannerconstruction.org, look at some of our work. You can meet even the staff on there, or give us a call, 517-994-5173.